Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this Ultra GPS smartwatch for reading purposes. So let's take it out of the box. It comes in a really nice and interesting packaging. First thing we see when we open the box is the main unit with a protective film. Okay, so let's take it out of here. And as you can see, it has a really nice design. It feels of an amazing and great quality. It feels really sturdy and outdoors ideal. Okay, you can use it to go hiking, do any sports on the outside. Let's see which accessories comes included. It's a USB type C to magnetic charging. Then it goes in here like that and just connected to the power adapter, which I think it's great. And in here we have the user manual, okay, with all the indications on how to use the smartwatch, all the steps to connect it to the application, which I think is great, and all the gestures and buttons that you can use, okay, which I think is great. Okay, so that's everything that comes included in the package. So let's go ahead and, well, download the application, make ourselves an account, and test the proper watch, okay? So come on. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna select the language in English. I have already downloaded the application, but we're gonna go ahead and pair it with our cell phone. As you can see, it's searching. We're gonna select it and connect it. Pair. And just like that, it's already paired. I think it's nice. And in here we can see our heartbeat rate, the amount of steps that we have taken, and the calories, which I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, we can select the music. We have also the trade specifications, the colors we've burned, the distance we walk, and everything, the heart rate. And we can select the sport modes, and we can select if we want to do an outdoor run or many different exercises, which I think they are really nice. Obviously this watch feels excellent to do some workout activities like going on hiking or where you need. I think it's really nice. And in here we can see the different applications. We also get a compass application, a calculator, and I find my device, okay, and a camera shutter, which I think it's really nice. And I like this watch because you can still get phone calls on the watch, and it's really nice, okay. We can also change the main watch face, which I think it's excellent. You can select of many different options on the application. In the watch gallery, we can select a simple design or wherever one we want, which I think it's really nice. I'm gonna select this one. You can see the watch display has changed, which I think it's really nice having that option. And we also have a find the watch option that you can see starts emitting this sound, which I think it's really nice in case that you have lost it. And overall, I think it's really nice. It's of an amazing quality. It's perfect for doing outdoors activities, doing wherever you want, different sport modes. And I think it's nice because it's also waterproof, so you can take it with you wherever you need. And I think it's really great. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.